Báilsúróid go dtí Let's Learn Irish. Is mise arge agus topic na seachtain inniu, Tinneas agus Gortuithe, sickness and injury. Agus seoíd na Focail agus na Frásaí. Body, Corp, bone, Cnámh, broke, Briste, doctor, Dochtúir, ear, Cluas, eye, Súil, finger, Méar, foot, chos, hand, Lámh, health, Sláinte, hospital, Otharlann no Ospidéal, hurt/injured, Gortuithe, medicine, Leigheas, mental health, Meabhairshláinte, neck, Muinéal, nurse, Altra, patient, Othar, recovery, Biseach, sick, Tinn, sickness, Tinneas, skin, Craiceann, painful, Pianmhar. Are you sick? Well, to Tinn. Are you better, or have you recovered? Well, Biseach. Get well. Go dtaga Biseach. He is not better yet. Níl Biseach go fóill. Is your foot sore? Well, the chos Pianmhar. It's difficult to find mental health care publicly in Ireland. Is deacair teacht chúram Sláinte na Meabhairshláinte go poblaí in éireann. Prevention is better than cure. Is fear cos na Leigheas. She has been in hospital for a week. Tá sí san Otharlann na seachtain anuas. Bígí páirte a háirde. Join the online Irish community at letslearnirish.com.